Do you think image ads work best for top of funnel or more middle of funnel? So it will probably be, it depends on your product, right? It depends on your product. Or normally image ads work very well for middle of funnel and bottom, but also videos work well. The thing is, it depends on your product, right? It depends on your product and it depends on your testing. So a lot of our brands work very well with image ads because the product is very self-explanatory. If you're selling, I don't know, if you're selling, I'm trying to look around for something. Like if you're selling cigars, like everyone knows what a cigar is, right? So if you're selling a cigar, people understand what that is already. So obviously in an image ad, you wanna do multiple things. You wanna say the features of the cigar. This cigar is really cool for this reason, this reason, this reason. But at the end of the day, it's a fucking cigar. So image ads will probably work very, very well for it. It more comes down to testing. I think that's the number one thing. Is like if you test things and they work, cool, they're good, right? But you should always test multiple things. Video ads work very well for middle of funnel because you can do a lot more like personalized story. So they already recognize should already recognize your brand name and should already recognize maybe your product as well. So if you do middle of funnel to hit the key pain points, which are stopping people from buying, maybe that's the price. The price is expensive, then you hit on quality. Maybe it's testimonials or maybe it's reviews, right? So you then hit on reviews and you do a UGC of, oh my God, I love this cigar so much. It's fucking amazing. You do that type of thing, right? So that obviously works well. Whereas if there's ways to do it, right? There's a lot of complexity to it. But at the end of the day, testing is the number one thing. Always testing, 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 testing.